Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential accessories for your pool. The best pool lights you can find on the market. Whether you're hosting a night swim party or simply enjoying a relaxing evening by the poolside, having the right pool lights can transform your experience. Let's explore what makes these lights stand out from the rest. These pool lights are designed with durability and functionality in mind. They come equipped with advanced LED technology, ensuring vibrant and energy-efficient lighting that lasts for hours. The waterproof design makes them perfect for both above-ground and in-ground pools, giving you peace of mind against water damage. What sets these pool lights apart are their impressive features. First off, the brightness level is exceptional, providing ample illumination without causing any glare. You can choose from a variety of colors and lighting modes, allowing you to create the perfect ambiance for any occasion. Installation is a breeze with the included mounting hardware, and they're compatible with most standard pool fixtures. In terms of performance, these lights excel. They're designed to withstand the rigors of outdoor use, including UV exposure and varying temperatures. The materials used ensure longevity, so you won't have to worry about frequent replacements. Plus, the energy efficiency means you can enjoy extended use without a significant impact on your electricity bill. In conclusion, if you're looking to upgrade your pool lighting setup, look no further. These pool lights combine superior performance, durability, and ease of use, making them a clear choice for anyone wanting to elevate their outdoor experience. I highly recommend checking them out if you're serious about enhancing your pool area. Don't forget to check the description box below for more information and where to purchase these fantastic pool lights. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews and recommendations on the latest products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more insightful reviews. Until then, take care and enjoy your pool.